Hello. So we'll learn about local functions and the closures. So what are local functions? In Python, we can define functions inside the other functions. They are called local or nested functions. Local functions are only accessible within their enclosing functions. This is useful for breaking down complex logics into smaller pieces without cluttering the global namespace. For example, here we will just run this one of the code and we'll understand this out. So here inner function says hello. So, so here what we have done is we have a outer defined outer function is outer and defined and we have just one more function inside it is inner. And when we are calling a outer function, it goes here but it takes the input from the inner function. For example, if a helper function is only relevant inside a particular function, defining it locally keeps it hidden from the rest of the program. Here, inner exists only inside the outer. If you try to call inner outside outer, it will give an error. So, if we can just try this out, if it works or it gives an error. So, inner, see, is not defined. Okay, so this is what it means since we don't have it. So let's see our next slide. It's closures and nested scopes. Closures happen when a nested function remembers the variables from its enclosing scope even after the function has finished executing. Python resolves variable names using the legb rule. Its L stands for local, E stands for enclosing, G for global, and B for built-in. Closures are powerful because they allow a function to carry its own data state with it, like objects, but more lightweight. What's a non-local keyword? By default, if you assign to a variable inside a nested function, Python creates a new local variable. But sometimes you want to modify a variable from the enclosing scope, not global, but the immediate outer function. That's where the non-local keyword comes in. It lets a nested function rebind variables from its enclosing scope. Summary: local functions are defined inside other functions and keep logic organized. Closures allow nested functions to remember variables from enclosing scope. Python uses the legb rule to resolve variable names. The non-local keyword enables nested functions to modify the variables in the enclosing non-global scope, as we have seen one of the examples. So let's meet in the next video.